Hello guys, today I will let you know how to find stocks that are about to skyrocket, okay? So this is basically a trading secret that not a lot of people talk about, okay? First go to the FINVIZ.com, click screener, then you have to find float short. And what is it? Here's the definition. Short float is defined as the percentage of shares in the market that are shorted related in relation to all shares in a float. So we want it to be over 30%. Why? Why would I want it? I will show you the example. JKS, look at this. Here's a movement of almost plus 100% from the breakout. And look at this, short flow is 22%. It is huge as well, but here it was probably 80%. So it was great moment to buy because all these short sellers they have to cover their losses. And it says here it will take 4 days for them to cover it if they will buy consistently. And they're buying all the time. There's no single red candle in this chart because float it was really huge. Now it is big too, but it was even bigger. So that's an example because they probably set the stop loss above the new high because it is a sign that the stock is about to become bullish and they do not want to back hold. Even though there are a lot of back holders here, they ruined their account for sure. Look at this, how much did they lost, okay? So how do you search for him? I just told you, just go for the float short and we want it to be huge. One more thing that I also like to do is to put price to be above the SMA 200. That means it is at least a little bit bullish, you know. You don't want the stock to be completely down because then it doesn't have any potential. We have BBVY with 61% of short float. And you guess what's going to happen with BBY now? It is just gonna fly. Let's see what's going on with it. I caught it yesterday. As you can see, it was clearly, pattern to buy, and it went 13%. This short flow thing is really life-saving because it really do go up. So that's BBBY. Look at this. It'll probably go to 40 bucks, Then let's see what else do we got here. We're looking for pattern to form. We don't want just to get into the train, okay? Yeah, this is not too bad. CODX. I see resistance here, and if this resistance gets broken, that means it will just go up, okay? Because there's a lot of short flow is huge. Let me see, what is it? It's 30%. It's enough. 30% of the float are short positions. So they have stop losses, stop losses like main rule in trading. You have to protect your losses. So they will cover after the breakout. And it's the perfect moment to buy. And you can look for plus 10% profit. Then I want to show you one more example that I found a few weeks ago. FMCI, huge float as well, short float. Now it is nothing, but now it is stupid, but it was perfect. Okay, this was my analysis. Higher high, higher low, again higher high and higher low. uh, bullish pattern formed, and here I decided to go long because it was obvious that this pattern is repetitive. The float is huge. That's it. I'm gonna do it, and it went plus 7%. Sometimes it will go a lot higher. That's why I take 5% in my trades, and I risk 1.5% to get 5%. Okay, let's see. JKS, it's constantly growing. You could just enter the train here for the example. It already went plus 6% for the day. I'm telling you, this short flow thing is amazing. There are a lot of stocks that have huge potential. Look at the SDC. No, it is not tradable. We want the stock to just go up, and get in the way of going up. This is clearly strong uptrend, and we want to enter into the strong uptrend and not some squishy thing that is going down currently, something like this or something like this. We want it to be clear to go up. There's one more example of a few weeks ago, actually the same week as the FMCI. Here, this was it. This was a pattern. This is a bullish pattern because actually bullish patterns. And of course, I entered here. And look how much it jumped, 15%. Well, I grabbed 5 because that's my plan, and it works. So I hope this helped you, and good luck at trading.